That's not good. At first I was like, oh good, it's just a fan motor that's not, or just a belt that's thrown. But look at the bearing at this end. Doesn't look very good, does it? The shaft's nearly cut off. So it's so thin that it's like about to fall off. So I'm just gonna break it off the rest of the way, because there's no way this shaft would be able to withstand any more operation. Look at that. Completely wore down to nothing. That's insane. I've never seen that. Look at the shaft. Look at that shaft. Bottom bearing's still good, but this shaft is done. So yeah, that's too bad. That's crazy. They ate that down from like, what, 5/8 or 3/4 shaft down to nothing. That's ridiculous. So here's the hood curb adapter. Sure, we can get something standard that would just drop on over that, but look at this corner. This whole thing has clearly been blown off or fallen off during hood cleaning. So yeah, I don't know. I kind of doubt that's gonna come off easily. This thing is really shelled out. I don't think it would be wise to fix it. It needs to be replaced. So I think they need a new hood, but just for fun. 0.62. It should be 0.625 if it's 5/8. So it is a 5/8 shaft. Removing the entire bearing assembly and trying to get that fan blade thing off is going to be just a horrible nightmare. And this thing's already really old and quite shelled out, so I really don't think they should fix it.